At 5 years old, one of our explorers were asked by a family member, "What are you learning at EverWild?" And she turned to them and looked them right in the eyes and confidently said, "I'm learning about myself." My name is Amanda Kaloya, and I'm a co-founder of EverWild and a director of EverWild's Nature Immersion programs. At EverWild, our mission is to engage and mentor families to develop a meaningful attachment to the earth. If we want children to flourish, to become truly empowered, then let us allow them to love the earth before we ask them to save it. Perhaps this is what Thoreau had in mind when he said, "The more slowly trees grow at first, the sounder they are at the core." And I think the same is true of human beings. EverWild supports the growth of children's 21st century skills: collaboration and teamwork, creativity and imagination, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills.
So Stevie, he likes cars and racing. Yes, we built a giant track right over there. And we're gonna continue on it when we're done with lunch.
I'm Elizabeth, and I'm a mom to Solia and a wife to Trenton. And my story about EverWild is that our daughter was going to a forest preschool, and it was really working for her. I could see that she was thriving, she was happy, she was coming home tired but fulfilled. She will feel connected to this place, this sprawling metropolis that we have of Los Angeles, with a giant nature corridor and being surrounded by spots that I know that she will have access to when she needs to. Even as an adult, if she chooses to have an indoor job, she will have that outdoor relationship that she can always lean on.